Hello, everyone. Welcome to the exciting world of Tesla, where new ideas meet big changes. Today, with the help of respected experts, we'll take a deep dive into the financial world of this revolutionary car company. The results are in, and they're making waves in the business world. Everyone is talking about how well Tesla has done, but with price cuts and tax breaks, is this just a short term dip or the beginning of something even bigger? In a moment, we'll reveal a stock expert's bold prediction of how much Tesla could be worth in 5 years. Get ready for some jaw dropping numbers that could make your investment pay off. Prices will skyrocket, and that's not all as the pay season gets going. Big tech stocks like Tesla are getting a lot of attention. We'll look at what's affecting Tesla's performance and how that might change the market. But before we do that, click the like button, subscribe to Tesla Stock News, and turn on post notifications to stay up to date on everything. Tesla Now, let's watch the movie. Today we have Ronnie from Sokovovit. Joining us is Guggenheim. Let's get into the juicy details of Tesla's latest results and hear what Ronnie has to say. This man has a sell grade that gets talked about. The gross auto margin and tax breaks have shocked everyone, beating Wall Street's predictions by an amazing 18.2%. However, price cuts are coming up, which is putting pressure on margins. Is Tesla facing a trough, or is there more to this story? To make things better, Ronnie is telling us about Tesla's gross margins. They may be better than expected, but they're still lower than last year. People are talking a lot about how the price cuts are affecting Tesla's profit margins, but hold on tight. No matter how much they fall, Tesla stocks will still be a hot topic. The stock expert Tom Nash has some interesting ideas about where Tesla could be in 5 years. And I have to say, the numbers are fascinating. If you're investing in Tesla right now, get ready for huge returns on your money. Now let's move on to the exciting earnings season. Big tech stocks are being closely watched, and Tesla's recent drop has caused some concern. But don't be fooled by the noise. There's more to this story than meets the eye. The market may have been shook by Tesla's earnings reports, but there's a lot more to talk about here. Mark Newton, who is in charge of Fundstrat's technical plan global advisors, is ready to get down to the details. Everyone is talking about Tesla's crazy rise since April. The price has gained over 100%, but is it about to go down? Some trouble is happening in pre-market trade, and UBS has downgraded, however. That's not the end of the story. Ronnie is sure that there are still many good things about Tesla's future, just as we get closer to a time when investors might find appealing possibilities. Let us talk about Tesla's wild ride on the stock market. The stock has been very unstable, going from highs to lows last year. Elon Musk's sales of shares and changes in the market caused quite a stir. Tesla's value was almost cut in half, but now the stock is at $256 and still showing signs of a strong rally. However, recent worries about a downgrade are making some investors nervous, and while those worries may be reasonable in the short term, it's important to look at the bigger picture in the medium term. Even with all of its ups and downs, Tesla is still a good investment with a lot of promise for the years to come. Tesla's stock is getting close to the coveted $300 mark, which has put him back in the news. Many analysts think the company will have a good run in 2023 and beyond, even though profits will go down a bit. Speaking of predictions, we have famous YouTuber and stock expert Tom Nash in the house. He's been keeping a close eye on the market and has a price prediction for Tesla that might blow your mind. Hold on tight, because it's not just $1,300. Tom thinks Tesla could be worth even more in 5 years. What's the secret to this bullish prediction? It all comes down to Tesla's impressive revenue growth, which doesn't seem to be slowing down. The market is paying attention to the automaker's meteoric rise to fame, and Tom Nash thinks we're about to see record-breaking levels of revenue. Along with Dan Ives, we have Gary Black, a famous and trusted Tesla analyst, with a bold prediction to share. He believes that Tesla will reach a price of $370 in the next 6 to 12 months. While this prediction may not be as bold as Tom Nash's, it still shows how much faith and potential there is in the company. Gary, like many other Tesla bulls, is sure that there are many strong reasons and possible catalysts that could push Tesla stock toward its target price. These include Elon Musk's big plans for the company, such as progress in artificial intelligence and strong revenue from charging infrastructure, as well as Tesla's never-ending innovation and electric vehicle technology. The outlook looks good, but the company's recent earnings report caused a sharp 9% drop in shares. This sudden turn of events has worried Wall Street analysts, who are now reevaluating the company's future. Some critics question whether Tesla's growth can continue, while others see it as just a speed bump on the way to success. David Traynor, CEO of New Constructs, says that Tesla is currently overvalued because its latest earnings show declining margins and weakening demand. He says that demand for Tesla's EVs is struggling because of more competition and rising prices. While Tesla's self-driving business and EV charging network are important, they only make up a small part of the company's revenue right now. Tesla's main source of income is still selling cars, which Traynor says isn't enough to support the company's current valuation, despite the doubts. Some experts, like Tom Nash, are sure that Tesla will reach its full potential. They think that the company's value will skyrocket over the next few years, thanks to its steady progress in innovation. Tesla's stock price has been going up and down, but many investors are optimistic about the company's long-term chances. Recent price changes shouldn't stop people who see Tesla as a revolutionary force in the auto business, according to a new report. A longtime analyst and Tesla fanatic named Dan Ives has raised his price goal for the electric car company from $300 to $350. However, he is filled with newfound hope about Elon Musk's grand vision for the company, which includes progress in artificial intelligence and making money from charging solutions, even though Tesla shares have dropped. With an amazing net worth of about $236 billion, Elon Musk is still the richest person in the world. The NBC people in the business world listen to Jim Cramer. World thinks that tech giants like Netflix and Tesla will get their stock prices back up after recent drops. Cramer says that companies with great management and innovative products usually overcome short-term problems in the long run. Cramer also thinks that Tesla's influence could go beyond electric cars and into self-driving cars, batteries, and even pickup trucks. Tesla could also find another way to make a lot of money by licensing its self-driving technology to other automakers, similar to how Netflix does it. Investors may be worried about Tesla's recent earnings, but the two companies are moving in the same direction. Both had mixed results in the last quarter, but they were still giants in their fields. People were skeptical of Elon Musk's big plans for a future where cars drive themselves because they would cost a lot and take a long time to implement. But Cramer thinks that these visionary investments will pay off big in the end, even though there are still a lot of unknowns. Cramer Holt is sure that both Netflix and Tesla are two of the best investments of all time. He tells investors not to lose sight of the big picture and to think about how these innovative companies can grow in years to come. We looked at the different points of view of experts and researchers to learn more about the company's strengths and weaknesses. Bulls and bears are still talking about Tesla's stock price and what they think about the future of the electric car giant. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. What are your thoughts and tests of trajectory? Do you think the company will reach new heights with Elon Musk's grand vision? Or do you think the problems it faces will slow its growth? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you and start a conversation there. If you liked the video, click the like button. And if you want to stay up to date on all things Tesla and the exciting world of technology and investments, don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News and set your alarm. If you do that, you'll become a part of the community that's always growing, and we'll keep sending you content that makes you think. Thanks for going on this journey with us, and until next time, keep looking, learning, and investing wisely.